the founder and CEO of a very cool company that is using drones to protect our homes. They're saying, beware of the bee. We're going to find out what that's about. Alex Pachikov, welcome into Tomorrow. How are you?
Hi, Dave. How are you?
I'm doing fine. This is something we run across here in Vegas that certainly caught our attention. How are you using drones to protect our homes?
So this is the world's first fully autonomous drone that automatically flies out to investigate something unusual that's happening around your home.
And how does it determine what's unusual?
There's a set of sensors, we call them the sunflowers. You place them around your property. They can detect people, animals, and cars. They look like garden lights, but actually they're very sophisticated motion and vibration sensors. And if they detect something unusual, you get a notification and they can deploy the drone. The drone flies out, flies directly to where the action is, can follow it around, and it'll give you live footage to your phone or to your iPad or to the web.
Gotcha. And this device, if you're listening on the radio, have no fear. Video of all the radio interviews are available. Whoa, opens up because it detected something unusual. The drone starts, and it would, of course, not in an indoor environment here at a trade show, but otherwise would launch and go check out this unusual activity.
Yeah, it's essentially a flying security camera. So instead of installing dozens and dozens of cameras all over your property to cover every blind spot, you have one system, it just flies out, it goes directly to where it is, and it follows the action around, so you always have good context of what's going on, and you can always see, and you can always direct it to see, look at a different place in your property.
And this is especially helpful if you're not at home, perhaps, and maybe around the world somewhere, and you want to know what's going on in your home, or if you're at home, you've got all that capability other than just some cameras mounted on your walls.
Exactly, yeah.
And as a former police officer, I have to ask, because I'm hearing my audience in my head, is there any kind of deterrence at that point that the drone can provide? I mean, will it talk to perhaps a bad guy or girl and say, get out of my yard or anything like that?
No, there's no speakers on it. There's nothing. Basically, you will hear it. It's not too loud, but when you see a drone following you around, it's pretty intimidating. It's like a security guard, or at the very least, a dog that starts barking.
Yeah, for sure. And by all means, high tech. I love that. You're using technology. Is it available yet, and what is the cost?
We just made it available today, so you can come to our website, sunflowerlabs.com. You can pre-order it. We expect to ship it in the summer to our first customers, and it starts just under $10,000.
Okay, so it is for high-end residential, but the fact is prices are going to come down like anything else in technology. Version 2 might have some additional features, that sort of thing, but if you're one of those early adopters, you want to visit sunflowerlabs.com and snag one of these. Why do you say beware the bee?
The drone is called the bee. The sensors are called sunflowers. The base station, the box, is called a hive. So we have a little theme going. And, and bees are scary, so,
I love it. And they buzz around, and hopefully you run away. Go elsewhere. Terrific. And, of course, when it finishes checking out the surrounding area, then I'm assuming it comes back to the hive and closes up, right? So you can close it for us and show us how it looks like perhaps an outdoor air conditioning system.
Yeah, we have arguably the best autonomous landing system in the world. The drone has a really unique shape, which is countered by the unique shape of our landing platform. That gives us this additional reliability in order for it to land really well. It can land in pretty strong winds as well. It can fly in almost all weather, except for maybe a hurricane or a blizzard. And it comes back, it lands, it charges, and it's ready to go again within minutes.
Love it. Well, continued good luck to you guys. Very cool technology. Obviously looking forward to it coming way down in price as version 2 or 3 becomes available, but really neat, and glad you're showing it here.
Thank you so much.
It's our pleasure, Alex. Thanks for joining us. For more, and of course, all of the interviews and all of the videos, be sure to visit intotomorrow.com. I'm Dave Graveline. We continue bringing you further into tomorrow from our 25th year at CES here on the Advanced Media Network.